Hello traders, welcome to the first video in this tutorial series. Our objective is to build ICT London Q Zone Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. We will be using EURUSD as the test asset. So the first thing we need to do is to identify the Asia range so we can search for the liquidity sweep. I've explained the strategy in a previous video, so check the previous video to explain the strategy. I'm not going to explain the strategy in this video. So um, here's the code for this. You can see here I have identified the Asia range. So here's the code for this. I defined the Asia session start and end time, the color input color for the box, and the width. So then I create a custom function Asia range. So the first thing I do is to introducing this date time storage last draw day. It stores the dates the box was last drawn to prevent redrawing the Asia box multiple times a day. Here we assign time variable. This is the current time assigned. This retrieves the time current is retrieves the server time, and this breaks it down. This time to struct, it breaks the time down into year, months, dates for later use. So this also defines the Asia end, the session end, the time the Asia session ended. So here is the condition: if the current time now is greater or equal to the end of the session of the Asia session, and the last day draw is not today, then you first of all update the date. The last day draw is today. Then we go ahead and track the session that ended, and here we create a loop from the Asia start time to the Asia end time. This is the loop here. So it checks the time of the Asia session and saves the highest value and the lowest value here. So, and this function plots the box. You can see the color of the box, the style, the width. So I'm going to upload this code to GitHub. You can download it from there and study it and use it. I hope you have learned something in this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and watch out for the other video in this series, because this is just the first of a couple of videos. So you can see the Asia box has been identified in on the chart.